In this tutorial, I'll be showcasing some ways to search through the 175 plus lessons TeachRock.org offers to quickly find the lesson that best suits your classroom or curriculum. While I recommend browsing through our various lesson collections to get a scope of what TeachRock offers, the website provides a couple ways to directly find the lesson you need. Both methods can be found on the top of the menu bar of the website, here. First, I will demonstrate our quick search feature. Clicking on this section shows you some of TeachRock's newest lessons and others currently highlighted. But what is most helpful about this section is the series of drop-down menus here. As you can see, each of these menus offers various categories: grade, subject, genre, activities, and topics. So, let's say you're an elementary teacher looking for a social-emotional learning lesson. First, you select Elementary under the Grade tab. You see the site has filtered out 29 lessons for elementary learners. Now, under Topics, we find and select Social-Emotional Learning. Now we have 6 lessons to choose from. You can continue narrowing down the lessons in this fashion until you get exactly what you are looking for. Likewise, you can erase a filter by clicking on the X on one of the categories like this. The quick search function is a great way to quickly find lessons that may work for your classroom or work with your pre-existing curriculum. But if you know exactly what you are looking for, let's say a lesson on James Brown, you can always use the search feature, which is the magnifying glass here. This pops up a search bar where you can type whatever you like. From there, you can browse our lessons, bios, articles, images, and videos related to your search terms. One helpful hint for using this feature: put any phrase in quotes, otherwise the search will look for any word included in the phrase. That's why James Taylor's Carolina on My Mind video is appearing in my James Brown search. If I put James Brown in quotes, the system will only look for the two words together. Now we see the James Taylor video is gone. Thank you for joining me to explore the tip of the TeachRock iceberg. The resources here are vast, and we hope one of these methods will help connect you to something meaningful to share with the students in your life. Should you have any further questions or suggestions, please reach out. We're always available at info@teachrock.org. Thank you.